Another delivery. Of course, this part of the neighborhood is all banks and lawyers. So, follow me. It's one of our regular customers. Been expecting us. No, we can't. Need to put on the mask. Need to put on the mask.
Who's this lady? No,
this beautiful lady.
No.
Oh, you don't want to see this beautiful lady?
My modeling contract. I actually was talking.
Yeah.
And went for the phone because I said I expect the call. But I never see no missed call and no missed 5 missed calls.
Oh dear, oh dear, oh
I want to
dear.
get my ID.
Yeah man, that is all, that is all. Alright, so I'm gonna just make a copy of it. I don't have your phone with you, right? Okay, cool. So, you do it. Cool. So, okay, like I can't wait for both this one here.
No man, I just stick I just stay for right now.
Staples are very important to the business, of course, but it's a lot of people. Good afternoon, how are you doing? You good? Documents. Okay, industrialized stapler. So you like the service with us?
Alright man, cool.
You're not too quick.
Don't make that kind of joke. Yeah, look here, I'm not worried about some of the people who want to do something right or right.
Right. Yeah.
Excuse me?
Alright, thanks for the ID. Pleasure doing business with you. Have a good one, alright? Yeah man, take care. Yeah man.